Hey guys, Chris here from TD Motion. I have on display here a Chevy conversion swap kit. Now this kit just basically entails the radiator, the mounts, and the headers. It's designed to work from the 72 through 86 CJ Jeep, so fits a wide range of years. We also offer one from an 87 through 95 Wrangler. So let's just talk about it briefly. This has the aluminum radiator. This is a heavy duty aluminum radiator. Has some big fins in it, so excellent for heat transfer. Has the trans-cooler lines, so it's really designed more for automatic transmission. All brazed aluminum welded, so it's gonna keep together well. You also have the headers. These headers are a mid-length header, so they drop down to very tight clearances, drop underneath the chassis. Comes with the gaskets, also comes with the hardware too. These headers are actually designed to burn off the paint after a few heating cycles, so that's perfectly normal. And then you have the frame mounts and the engine mounts here with the pads, and it comes with the hardware. So this is all available through tdmotion.com.